Amen.
Amen.
Thank you.
Thanks, God.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Amen.
Happy Thanksgiving, Bob
Happy
Sonia.
Thanksgiving.
Thank you.
Yes.
Hello everyone. Happy
Happy.
Thanksgiving. Kain po tayo. Wow. Very, very delicious. My first time to eat turkey. I'm not eating it. No. Let me see. Oh, this is well done. Mm.
This is stuffing come out of the bottom of the turkey,
Mm.
out of the belly.
Mm. I like it. What thank you about? Mm. What did you put for that? It's delicious. It's a bread? Bread?
Yeah, it's a dry crumb bread cubed up and with spices and stuff in it. I need something to spread that. Here, wait, I'll just use my fork,
No,
babe.
we have.
Sonia, we need to learn that. It's very delicious. Mm. You need to learn that.
Wow.
Uy, ito yung ano mo? Ha? Sonia, magpatulog ang sarap. Kahit ganyan na lang yung kainin.
Just there is some pump.
Ha?
Just mix
Gravy.
it on there.
You have to put gravy on it.
Wow. Here?
Yeah, all of it.
Really?
Yeah.
Hmm. Put Sonia gravy.
Well, turkey's very good. Mm.
Really? I don't know that. Mm.
Where's our green beans?
Yeah.
Forgot
This
our
one?
forgot our green beans.
This one?
Enough.
Really?
Green beans, no, enough. We have one there.
Pero alam mo rin, Sonia, magluto ng ganyan? Hmm? Mm. Delicious. Sarap, mahirap. Sarap ito, Sonia. Yung type ko yan.
Then dessert then.
Pero ang sarap. Ang sarap nila, ano, ilagay ko.
After.
Wow, I thought you have lots of visitors, darling. Mm. Magaling din siya sika. You are both cook very good, you know? You are match. That's why God sent both of you.
Two stubborn people think a lot alike. Here, put up with each other.
Yeah.
No, we don't need right.
You are both lucky to each other, you know? You are really destiny. See how the Lord is good, how the Lord make the impossible to possible.
That's the best turkey I've ever cooked.
Yeah,
It's never been that moist,
because
that soft. Mm.
It's better than the buffet, but much more
oh,
better this one.
yeah, yes, that's true. Buffet is very expensive, and then you did not eat much.
Before, you know, in Perkins, last year, we ate there the
Perfect.
Thanksgiving,
Mhm.
that $25, $50.
Both.
It was all you could eat. Too.
You can eat everything. Take that one.
Gusto ko ito sa niya, ang sarap si partner. Nasasarap ako ng ute. Mas Kasi yung sour and ano niya.
Not good.
Hmm?
Not good?
Not yet.
Hmm. Hmm.
So when you fold them back a little bit,
Ito na yung turkey na kinuha mo doon?
Mm-mm. Ay, so, tingnan mo. Nabili ka pa.
Oo nga.
App, here.
Really?
Here, app. Here, hon. App.
This is natural. You did not put any. It's all like that. That's food. That's
That's
not.
good. I don't like too much.
Or like butter or whatever. No. Mm.
Just butter. A little butter.
Masarap pa rin yung isla. Pero siya kanan yung isla. Yung kanan.
What no?
I think I may be full.
Ano?
You didn't eat very much.
Huh?
You didn't eat too much.
I ate. How many times I get this? 2 times.
I don't know.
2 times.
Nora, eat a lot.
I want to eat a lot
She
of
must
food.
be starving.
I am. I am ready.
I've cooked turkey for 40 years and never had one that tender and that good.
Because you put.
I guess, maybe so.
Yeah.
Wow.
Because that buster that you put it there. People are looking yesterday because we are out of stock, and then they want me to dig on top of that, and I found five of them, and they, how many there are on the line? Oh my God! I said only 5.
That's good flavor. That injection.
Mm-mm. Mm. Before I don't know that. They are looking for me for baster. What baster? I search on myself for it. Busog match, mga kaibigan. Busog kami. Busog ako. Thank you guys. Thank you for inviting me. Thank you so much.